morning, boys and girls. I'm Miss Margot at the Hawaii Children's Discovery Center, and we miss all of you right now, but I thought I would send this video to reach out to you and say hello. I'm gonna do something fun this morning that I know many of you like when you come to visit the center. I'm gonna make some Play-Doh. I'm giving away my secret recipe, so listen carefully and take notes. So cooking is awesome because it can be science, it can be math, so I know many of you are doing schooling right now, so let's work on a little cooking project, making Play-Doh. I'm gonna make 2 colors of Play-Doh, and then later I'll show you how to play with the Play-Doh. So first thing I did is I put some water in my pot, and it's getting ready to boil. That is a step you should definitely have a grown-up help you with. Okay, now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients from my Play-Doh, and then by that time, hopefully my water will be boiling. So I have flour. For each batch, each color, I'm making 2. You don't have to make 2, but if you want to, you can. Or if you don't want to add any color, then your Play-Doh will be sort of tan or white colored. So start with 1 cup of flour. Here we go, 1 cup of flour. That bowl, okay. This bowl, there we go. All right, that's all done. Keep your flour handy. You might need some later when you're kneading the Play-Doh. Okay, now I have salt, sodium chloride, NaCl. I need in each one 1/4 cup of salt. Here we go. 1. In that one, 1/4 cup, and 1/4 cup in this bowl. All right, that's that. Now, I have a few other ingredients. I have something called cream of tartar. This is an optional ingredient. It makes your Play-Doh more soft and pliable. I usually use it, but if you don't have it, no big deal, just skip it. If your Play-Doh seems too sticky, well, you can add a little extra flour. So I have 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. Whoop. Next one. Whoop. All right, I like my Play-Doh to smell good, so I'm using coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, no problem. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever kind of oil you have at home. Cooking oil, of course. So I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Boop. 1 in there. Okay, next bowl. 1 tablespoon of oil. Whatever kind you have available. I like my Play-Doh to smell like vanilla. If you have a different fragrance you want to add to your Play-Doh, go for it. I'm going to use vanilla. I have a little vanilla extract. It's just about 1/2 teaspoon. So just a little dab. Boop. Each bowl. They're going to smell the same, though they'll be different colors. All right, now take your spoon and stir together all your ingredients that you have in the bowl. Okay, next one. Stir it all up. Now it's time to add the boiling water. This is the step, remember your parents or another grown-up should help you with the hot water. Okay, so my water's boiling. I need 3/4 cup in each bowl. Steamy. Water vapor. Oh, I think I got a little too much. That's okay. Okay, here's my tip. I like to add my color to my water because it makes it less messy. If I add it to the Play-Doh and I have to rub it in with my hands, then sometimes my hands end up the same color as the Play-Doh. So if you want to keep it neater, add your food coloring to your water. So I'm going to make 1 color green and 1 color blue. I'm going to add, here, let me show you what I'm doing. A couple of drops of green. And as I said, if you don't have green or you don't have food color, that's okay. You could also use liquid watercolors if you have those. Or if you have something in your house that has natural color, like tea, I don't know, what else you might have. Think about it, that you could use to add color to your Play-Doh. Okay, this is gonna be my green batch. Okay, gonna make my blue batch now. color Play-Doh you want to make. What's your favorite color? Okay, I'm gonna add a couple drops of blue. Here we go. Ooh, it's going to be very blue. Give it a little stir. Now add it to the dry ingredients. Okay, so I just added boiling water to these bowls. So they're kind of hot, but if I use the spoon, I can stir it up. I'm showing you what I'm doing. You see that nice green Play-Doh? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun. I love playing with Play-Doh. You know what's cool about playing with Play-Doh is you can make Play-Doh and then you can do all kinds of things with it. You can just play with it and knead it. You can roll it into balls, roll it into snakes. You can even get out different toys and decide to use those to play in the Play-Doh. All right, the green is coming together nicely. So it looks a little bit sticky. It will get less sticky as it cools, but also if it seems too sticky, remember how I told you to keep the flour handy? I'm just gonna add a sprinkle more flour. We'll wait on the blue. Let's stir it up and see what it looks like. You know, and sometimes cooking is that. It's experimenting. You have to see what works and what doesn't. See, my blue doesn't look too sticky. It looks great. Okay, stir it all up. It even smells good. A fun thing you can do in the kitchen is you can go in the kitchen and you can smell the different spices. And if you want, you can add different spices to your Play-Doh to make it smell yummy. I sometimes like to put cinnamon in Play-Doh. It smells festive. Or as I said, vanilla. What other things do you have in your kitchen that smell good that you might like to add to Play-Doh? Okay, it's a little sticky. We'll add a little flour. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I want my Play-Doh to cool off a little bit, and then we can knead it. This is the fun part. Okay, it's actually not too hot now. You may have to wait a few minutes. And then we're gonna knead our Play-Doh. Ooh, look how good it looks. If it's a little too sticky, I'll add a little more flour. Now I have messy hands. But messy's fun, right? Okay. There's my green Play-Doh. Whoa, look at that. That looks so fun. Okay. Now I've got my blue Play-Doh. If they mix together, that's okay for me. I don't mind. Green and blue mixed together. What color does that make? Turquoise. Ooh, look at this. This looks great. All right, boys and girls, now you know Miss Margot's secret Play-Doh recipe. We're looking forward to seeing you back at the Discovery Center. Have fun playing and learning at home with your families. Bye.